How to use Temu coins to save more. So hello guys, if you also want to save more on Temu to make the most out of your free coins, so here's what you need to do. So first, you can earn coins by simply daily checking in or writing reviews or playing mini games in the app. Each 100 coins is like $1 off. So make sure to show daily check-in to your app to get a free coins. And now to spend them, just pick a single item that you want to buy and just click on or tap on buy now and watch your total drop instantly after applying the redeem code. So on the step 3 you can just watch for the win credit promo or spend the target amount and earn coins and real Temu credit, then repeat with the credit. So you can also use coins smartly by skipping coupons and never overpaying. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.